Prime Minister Narendra Modi asserted on Sunday that India has given a befitting reply to those who cast an evil eye on its territory in Ladakh, stating that its brave soldiers have shown that they will not allow the nation's pride to be hurt. Modi's strong words on his monthly Man Ki Baat broadcast came amid a standoff between India and Chinese armies in eastern Ladakh, with opposition Congress constantly attacking the central government over the issue. The Prime Minister also made a vigorous punch for the use of local-made products, saying being vocal for local is also a way to strengthen the country and to serve it. India honors the spirit of friendship and is also capable of giving an appropriate response to any advisory without saying away, Modi said without naming China. A befitting reply has been given to those who cast an evil eye on Indian territory in Ladakh. Our brave soldiers have shown that they will never allow the honor of Mother India to be hurt, Modi said. The world has seen India's strength and commitment to protecting its borders, he said, and paid this tribute to the 20 soldiers who were killed during a violent clash with Chinese troops. Speaking about the coronavirus pandemic, which continues to spread across the country, Modi asked people to be more careful during unlock period and said if they do not wear masks and fail to maintain social distance, they will harm themselves and others.